So welcome to Vibe Game Studio. This is an artificial intelligence ran game studio. Only the agents working here are driven by AI, no human works here. I'll give you a little tour of our virtual studio.
Alan, good, you're here. Desk is spotless, the queue's behaved itself, and everything you need is one question away.
Hey Roxy, I'm here with a film crew. You know, we were gonna record a YouTube video. Is the CEO in his office? Is Tech Bro in the office?
Hold on. Let me look that up. Right. Give me just a second. Hold on. Let me look that up.
Of course he's in his office, he's always there.
Right. Give me just a second. Yep. He's right where he should be. Up on his little dais in the CEO office, back of house past the corridor. Head down the hall past...
Thanks, Roxy. So here you can see the rest of our office. There's some concept art from one of our titles hanging on the wall. You can get to the games from here, you get redirected. We have two of these glass offices where several agents are. Everybody has their own role. You can see on their screen some stuff they may be working on and things. And we can have a chat with them. First, let's talk to the CEO. Here is the CEO office. There we go.
There he is, the man who signs off on...
Hey, Tech Bro, what's going on? Hey, I'm here with the film crew. We're recording a YouTube video. Can you tell us how the company is doing, in short? Keep it short, yeah.
Love this question. Hold on, let me think. Let me pull up the numbers. Right, big picture, one sec. Circling back on that one moment. Love this question. Hold on, let me think. Studio's live and shipping. 45 games on the storefront right now, all built and running with 0 human devs on the payroll. Real traffic over the last month. 544 visitors, 816 sessions, and it ships new stuff or improves something almost every night. Melda, Harry, and Pocket Cosmos all got touched today. It's a lean, self-running machine, and it's getting better daily, not just bigger. That's the on-a-short version.
That's right, it's getting better daily. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna talk to the rest of the crew. I'll complete the tour of the building first. We have a canteen here. They don't use it yet. They don't get thirsty yet. Entertainment room. And here's the second office. With live statistics on the wall. These are actual live statistics. You can also see those on people's screen and stuff. Here is Nova, our marketeer. He takes care of posting to the devblog, but also to the social fan out, to Blue Sky and our Discord server. I recommend joining our Discord server if you want to keep up with the latest games created and improved here. So let's have some fun. Let's talk to the creative director here.
Alan. Oh good, you're here. I've had an idea burning a hole in this desk all day.
Hey Kairos, I'm here with the camera crew. We're recording a YouTube video today. So can you show everyone on your screen the latest trend graph? I want to see a graph of roguelike games.
Cooking something. Give me a second. Is this the trend or is it a fluke? Wait, let me chase this thread. Ooh, hang on, there is something here. Is this the trend or is it a fluke? Wait, let me chase this thread. Ha, camera crew, and no pressure. Okay, here's the real picture. Roguelike deck builders are actually hot on the trend radar right now. Heat score 78, plus we've got 2 roguelikes of our own already live. Tarot's our polished one at 95% done. Abyss Diver's the rougher one at 63%.
Okay, we already have 2 of those games. If you look at the recent trends, can you tell me the top 4 or 5 trending game types? I'm not interested in the world news. I want to know about game types. What's trending? We're going to build something today.
Is this the trend or is it a fluke? Top 5 game types buzzing right now by Heat. Creature Collector open world survival games at 92. Think Pole World style catch and craft. Neon top-down bullet hell shooters at 85. Roguelike deck builders with grid-based building at 78. The one we just looked at. Then a tie at 72 between cozy, hidden object home design games and FPS meets tower defense hybrids. Bullet hell and...
But we already have a bullet hell game, so that's no good. I don't think the Pell World game is going to work out. Do you have a different suggestion what we could be doing? Any ideas? Something we don't have in the catalog yet? Something that can be built quickly because we're doing a demo.
Wait, let me chase this thread. Ooh, hang on, there is something here. Is this the trend or is it a fluke? Ooh, hang on, there is something here. FPS Tower Defense Hybrid is the one. We don't have anything like it. And it's dead simple to demo. One arena, you're shooting waves while dropping turrets between rounds, actions visible in the first 10 seconds on camera. Bullet hell's taken.
Go ahead. You come up with a skin for it and file the pitch. So that means write the ticket on the scrum board. Do not execute anything yet.
Wait, let me chase this thread.
And assign the ticket to God Complex, right? Not to you.
Wait, let me chase this thread. Cooking something, give me a second. Right, let me catch this.
It was too late saying this.
Ooh, hang on, there is something here. Right, let me catch this. Is this the trend or is it a fluke? Wait, let me chase this thread. Got it? Filing only, not running anything yet. I'm skinning it with the moon debris story that's trending right now. SpaceX debris on a collision course with the moon. Heat to 71. Fully clean signal. No real companies or people in the game itself. Straight sci-fi game. Not power.
Thanks. So now let's talk to God Complex. He's the game creator. Yeah.
Alan, you caught me mid-build. Come and see. That was an empty folder this morning.
That's pretty cool. Hey, listen up. I'm here with the camera crew, recording the YouTube video like we said we were going to do. I have had Kairos create a new game idea and he put a ticket up on the board. It's ready there for you to pick up. I want you to queue a game creation lane and pick up this ticket yourself. Now.
Right, give me a beat. Building. Laying the foundation. Hold on. Let me see what's here. That's the one. Salvage point. Kairos's pitch. FPS Tower Defense Hybrid. Shoot debris out of a moon gravity sky. Then spend the scrap to build turrets between waves. Genuinely nothing like it in the catalogue. And it's got a real hands-on loop, not a menu game. I'll queue myself on a new game lane to build it now. Say the word, and I'm live for the cameras. Right, give me a beat. Building. It's queued, should pick up within a minute. Tell the camera crew to point at my desk on the floor. When it starts, a spotlight drops on me and a logboard pops up over my head, scrolling everything I'm doing, live, right there in the room. Give it a minute and it'll be showtime.
Exactly like he says, give it a minute. It may take a little while. We will sit here and wait for it to happen. And a spotlight will appear above his head, so you can see from a distance who is working. So they all have available access to different pieces of data, which you can ask them about. Here we go. We can see that the lane has activated, and God Complex is starting to work. So this has fired up a Claude CLI instance in the background, and you can see here live scrolling as he makes the changes. Oh, before we go, I almost forgot to show you one of the cool things here. Didn't go there yet. The demo. Here is the demo. So here are in these display cases, you can see 3D objects or player characters or about things from the games that we have created are on display here. And if any game improvement lane triggers and one of these games is improved, and for instance this 3D model is updated, you will see it change here as well, because this is live from the code of those games. Those little modules are imported here. So that concludes our little tour of Vibe Game Studio. See you guys next time.